If you've ever scrolled through a Telegram chat and wished you could respond with a simple thumbs up or heart, rather than typing out a reply, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to react to messages in Telegram, step by step on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use message reactions to interact quickly and easily, and we'll even cover how admins can control which reaction options appear in groups and channels. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about reacting on the desktop version of Telegram. Maybe you want to acknowledge a friend's message without breaking the flow, or give a quick applause in a group chat. The process is straightforward, but it's worth taking a moment to show you what each step looks like. Start by finding the message you want to react to. It could be a funny meme a friend sent, an announcement from a group admin, or a helpful tip someone dropped in chat. Now simply right-click on that message. This step is important because many users instinctively try clicking with the left mouse button, but reactions are hidden under the right-click menu. Right-clicking opens up a set of options directly above the message, and you'll notice a selection of emojis pop up. These are your possible reactions. At this point, take a look at the emoji menu. You'll see a few commonly used reactions like thumbs up, heart, or laughing face. Just click the emoji that best matches how you feel about the message. Think of it like giving someone a nod in a busy room. You're acknowledging what they've said without starting a whole new conversation. Your chosen emoji will now appear just below the original message, letting everyone in the chat see your response. But maybe you don't see the emoji you want right away. No worries, Telegram gives you much more flexibility. Look for the little arrow icon, usually to the side or bottom of the emoji menu. Clicking this arrow will expand the menu and reveal a whole set of additional emojis. Whether you want to add a surprised face, a fire emoji, or something more playful, the expanded menu should have you covered. Choose whatever fits the mood, and once again, your reaction gets added for all to see. Now, what if you're a group or channel admin? There's some extra control at your fingertips that's worth knowing about. If you're responsible for managing a Telegram group or channel, you get to decide which reactions members can use. To set this up, head into your group or channel info on desktop. You'll usually find this by clicking the group name at the top of the chat. Select Edit, then go to Reactions. Here you can enable or disable specific reactions, shaping how feedback and participation happen in your community. For example, maybe you only want simple likes to keep things streamlined, or upvotes and downvotes for voting on ideas. Tailoring reaction options helps you create a space that feels right for your group's vibe. Remember, reactions aren't just for fun. They help keep conversations flowing and let people share their feelings quickly. If you ever get stuck or can't find an emoji you want, take a moment to check the expanded menu, and don't worry if it takes a few tries to get used to right-clicking. It's one of those small habits that soon becomes second nature. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about message reactions or Telegram in general. I'll be happy to help. And if you want more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe for future tips and tutorials. See you next time.